So I'm just gonna continue working on the pieces here. I have to sand this down here so it doesn't look like a lump or whatever. And it's pretty crazy, like it's on there really good. I thought it was just gonna start cracking off already. This area, which is the back, I'm not really gonna sand, only because you're not really gonna see it. I'm still gonna spray it, just to give it like one more coat, but like that plastic area I'm not gonna sand down. Like this thing I'm not gonna sand down. I'm just gonna have to clean it up again. And then yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna add, I might just leave this little crack there because it's pretty small. And I mean, it's just, I don't know, maybe later on I'll find a better piece, but for now I just want it to be like one solid color, like kind of nice, I guess. Not, I don't want to try too hard on it. And then clean everything else up. This thing's pretty much ready for paint. That's ready for paint. Well, I need to sand that one. This one's ready for paint. But yeah, I'm gonna go get started on these two. I mean, this one and this one, and then spray those two. Alright, so now I'm just gonna fix these two cracks, I think. Actually, I might just leave it, dude, honestly. I'm just gonna sand this off and scuff the rest of this so I can paint it. Because it's not cracked that bad, and I'm the only one that's gonna be able to see it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and sand this shit off instead. Maybe I will, I don't know. Should I do it? I'm just being lazy, honestly. I just don't see where I can like push it together at. 'Cause no matter how hard I push it together, it doesn't really close. I have to Bondo it in. I don't have any Bondo, so this is just gonna have to go, and I'm gonna sand it all down and then go wash everything and paint it. Alright, so I finished sanding this thing down. It was fucking annoying, and honestly there was probably a way better way of doing it, to remove the sticker, but I didn't even bother looking anything up, and I just went for it. This thing's pretty much ready. Damn, I didn't even see that line there. Dude, I'm so lazy right now. I don't even want to do it. I'm just gonna leave it, dude. Yeah, yeah, fuck that. I'm leaving it. Alright, I'm gonna clean this shit up a little bit. This is all trash. That thing was glued on there. So I'm gonna take this off, take that there, put this down here, move these over here because I gotta wash them. Put this on here. Set that off to the side. All this bullshit out of the way too. And take my drink, my water. Remember guys, stay hydrated. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean this thing up and then go clean these up. Actually, I'm gonna clean these up first. That way I can clean this. Alright guys, so for this job I'm gonna be using this shit I got at, this is all AutoZone stuff, like O'Reilly stuff you can get. I got this one at AutoZone. I'm trying to keep this project super DIY friendly, so that when people watch it, they can just go out and do it super quick. I'm trying to eliminate having to order stuff and pretty much have everything to do it like locally, so that you don't have to wait on stuff. So I'm gonna be using this thing. Spray them. I guess it says to use like 2 or 3 coats of these a few minutes apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that on there. I'm gonna keep the camera a little far away so I don't get overspray on the lens, because I am using my phone and I don't want it to get jacked up, because I ain't rich, bruh. Alright, so I finished spraying the parts off with the adhesion promoter, and now I'm just gonna come back with it and hit it with the white. So this is the paint I'm gonna be using for the bike. It's just some gloss white, Rust-Oleum. Make sure it's bond to plastic, metals and more, so it should be fine. I'll shake this bitch up a little bit and then spray them hose. Alright, so you guys are probably wondering why I was using that cardboard box. It's a little bit windy. It's kind of hard to see. While I'm spraying it, it kind of like sprays too much in one area, and I noticed that with the other spray, and I don't want to fuck this one up. So I got the box right there to cover some of the wind, and I'm getting way better spray. Right now I only have 1 light coat on it. I'm just gonna keep doing this until I fill up all like the unshaded area like this, that side there, and then I have some after this is all done and dry, I have some nice clear that I'm gonna throw over it to make it look super nice. Alright, got this shit all sprayed up. Got like 3 or 4 layers, I can't remember. Dude, my guy, you fucking kidding me? Fuck off, bruh. Fuck, I'm gonna fuck this shit up, dude. Oh, I touched it. Ah, oh, his fucking leg stayed on there, dude. Can't really see. Let me try zooming in. Bruh, his freaking leg stayed. I'm so mad. Ah, oh, dude, that's so annoying. Bruh, fuck. Dude, I'm so mad right now. Fuck that little fly thing, dude. Okay, now I think that's about all I'm gonna be doing for today. I'm gonna be putting these in the shed so that they can dry nicely and not have any more bugs jump on there. That's about all I'm gonna do for today, because I have to wait for these to dry, because I have to put that piece and that piece together before I can start assembling the bike. And then this piece can go on, I think. And then, oh, I was supposed to clean the fender too. God damn it. I don't even know where that thing is. Dude, I have such a mess in here. I think my next video is going to be just me cleaning here. And I have to find my fender. I don't know where I put it. Oh, there it is. Boom. So I'll clean that up. I should clean that up today, but I think I'm just going to clean it up tomorrow instead. After that dries out, I'm going to apply some of this here. I'm just going to throw like 2 coats of this. I have to wait for the other pieces to dry up, but I mean, it's clear, you can't really see it, so I'm not going to record it, and this is where I'm going to end the video, throwing this on.